Turnitin is a third-party tool directly integrated within Hunter's version of Brightspace. Turnitin allows you to create assignments that automatically submit your students' work through a plagiarism checker, as well as gives you the ability to either use Brightspace's feedback tools, or if you're used to them, Turnitin's own feedback tools. Today I want to show you how to set up an assignment with Turnitin enabled. Starting here on the Assignments tool page, you can find this page by clicking on the Activities dropdown in the purple menu from the top of your course and clicking on Assignments. You can see here I already have a few assignments created, and you can tell this one is a Turnitin assignment besides the title with this symbol here. Anytime you see the symbol, which is a paper with some binoculars in front of it, it means that Turnitin is enabled for this specific assignment. To make a Turnitin assignment, you create an assignment like you would by clicking on the blue New button in the top left. From this assignment creation page, you can set up the assignment like you would any other. Just for now, let's give it a title, Turnitin test, as well as a grade. But you can also add start dates and end dates, as well as make this a group assignment and still have the submission go through Turnitin. The way to enable Turnitin within an assignment is under the Evaluation Feedback drop-down on the right-hand side. At the very bottom of this section, you'll see Turnitin Integration. Once you click on Manage Turnitin, that will open up some more settings. First, to send the submission through a similarity report, you click on this button. And once it contacts Turnitin and saves, and we save, anything the students submit to this assignment will automatically get just the plagiarism checker. So you'll see what percentage is identified as matching with similar texts within Turnitin's database. If you do want to use Turnitin's grading tool and give feedback to students that way, you do want to make sure that this button is checked. Otherwise, students won't be able to see any feedback given to them through Turnitin. With these two settings checked, you can click Save. You'll see here on the right-hand side that you'll have the similarity report on and online grading on. If you're ready for students to see this right away, you just want to toggle this as visible and click Save and Close. Once your Turnitin assignment has been created and students start submitting, the easiest way to start giving feedback through Turnitin's online grading is by coming here to the Assignments tool page, clicking on the title of the assignment, which will bring you to a list of all the students in the course, as well as if they've submitted, you'll see their submission directly underneath their name. To open up Turnitin's online grading, simply click on the Turnitin similarity report. In this case, it's the 79%. And that will open up in a new tab in your browser, Turnitin's Feedback Studio. Here, you'll be able to see the paper the student has submitted. It will highlight what has been plagiarized. In this case, it has correctly picked this up. You can also leave comments directly here on the page by clicking, or you can leave directly text on the screen or leave a little sticky note like this to say, "Good job." You can give it a grade at the top. So let's say in this case, we give it a 5 out of 10. And all of these will update automatically. So if we come back to Brightspace and Turnitin and refresh the page, we can see the 5 out of 10 has updated. The last thing we want to do to make sure that students can see this feedback, once we are done and given feedback to everybody, is come back to this page, choose this first checkbox once you make sure that all your students are showing on this page by scrolling down to the bottom and clicking on this and making sure that all the students are showing. Clicking on this checkbox and clicking Publish Feedback. That will make sure that all your students who have submitted are able to see the feedback you've given within Turnitin, as well as see the grade within their gradebook. Again, you can make any assignment Turnitin assignment by going to the Activities dropdown, Assignments, and then making a new assignment under Evaluation Feedback on the right-hand side here, clicking Manage Turnitin,